What was that? Alright guys, so today is day 7 of us working on the boat. I'll walk you through all the changes that we made here and everything we've done for the last week. So first thing we did, getting on the boat here, we closed up our scuppers in the back. We've got a much drier deck now. Not going to have any water coming in through those anymore. And the back deck here, now you can see we did all the non-skid. We did a nice trim around each hatch, everything. We did all the rod holders. We did all the cup holders. We did the nice smooth trim edge here. Got the sliding doors on the cabin now. We moved the outriggers forward, so they used to be back here, so they're not hitting our rods anymore. So we got the outriggers up there. We closed off the back wall. We used to have the door in the middle. Now we've got more tackle storage. Got the one-piece back window here for better visibility. Obviously moved the live well back, so we got more room here. The live well used to come out like this right here, so definitely going to be nice having that. We got our Gemlux in-floor drains that go out the side, the scuppers. Got the seats in. Got the Icy Tech drink cooler down there. All the seats. Next up, electronics. What'd you think, Alden? Ready to run.
Come on.
Got him on.
Come on.